Thank you, Lord, for
Kaya pala ayaw mag-sound.
fast for the past 8 weeks. So this is our last Sunday, and this is the maybe the last time we will go to church here in the Philippines. So now we are, for now.
This year.
So since we stay in the Philippines for 8 weeks or 2 months for staycation, now we will have 10 more months in American Samoa for more chances of staycation.
Ay,
Mali. By the way, this is a road trip from SM East to SM Taytay. We got it all for you. Andilem. There you go. Going down. So
apa?
going down. But thank God for all the blessings. We have a fruitful 8 weeks vacation in the Philippines, and tomorrow is another day. Ay,
Ay, dapat may ganun.
ay. So I'm gonna miss our place. It's fun in the Philippines,
I'm gonna miss
but
my son.
it's more fun in American Samoa.
Sabi mo, I'm gonna miss my son.
I'm gonna miss my son, as my son dictated me to say it, but I really miss my son. Oh, by the way, we accomplish what we need to accomplish, whether it's good or whether it's best. It's the authentic, genuine blessings from God. There you go. See how urbanized the Philippines is.
Mami, kalahati na yung EV mode niyo. Yung battery ng EV.
So thank God for my son's life, my wife, and the neighborhood.
Saan side yung kinoconstruct na ano?
Sa parking.
The way I observe here in the Philippines, it's probably there's a lot of vehicle. I may say before 14 years before, it's already a lot of car. Now it's, I may say, more than what I expected. It's like everything is fiesta, everything is Christmas at night, and everything is everything. Yeah, you see the old
Sabi niya, go.
okay, anyways. Namamasyal pa sa luneta. Anak, walang sounds ha?
May sound.
O eh, sinasabi ko eh.
Para hindi ka makapag-vlog.
No!
Ano?
Ito para hindi mo na magawa yung gusto mo. Thank you! Payday weekend sale, August 15 to 17.
Pinuho yung cellphone ko. Hindi ako magsasawa, iwanan mo yung cellphone ko. Uy.
Anak, mag-drive ka ng...
Yung focus. Yun lang kailangan mong gawin, mag-focus ka. See how the road looks like here in Cainta. So many vehicles.
This is passing.
Ha?
It says
Ba?
passing.
But SMS is part of Cainta.
Hindi ko maalala kung saan yung border niya.
God is so good. God is so Provincial Province of Rizal, Department of Public Works and like boundary of Pasig and Cainta. Is that what you're trying to say?
That's the boundary. Ayan.
Cainta, Taytay, Antipolo.
Balik na ito.
Road trip. Never end. Love, love, love.
Ano yan yung pang funeral?
Sabi nga, lakas.
Oo nga, pang funeral nga kasi yun.
When I was a child, so so this is Big R, Robinson Quinta. Maliit lang to eh, no?
Pero bigger pangalan.
Malaki-laki na yung ano, malaki-laki na yung SM East. Halos kapares, I think. Halos similar ang laki ng SM Taytay.
Bandawet.
So the SM Mall in Rizal, I think I may include SM East because it's around close to the
Dapat
boundary
yung
of
mga
Pasig and
to,
Quinta.
pinapatanggal dito eh. Kung nasa gitna ng daan eh.
There you go. Huwag ka mag-sounds.
Hindi ako magsasound. Parang mo ano.
Ayoko, makulit ka. Mag-focus ka mag-drive. Ano gusto mo? Ako magdadrive o ikaw mag-cellphone? Sige. Oh, sige, sabi mo. Ako magdadrive o ako mag-cellphone?
Negro ka.
Oh, tapos na boxing. Ako, hayaan mo lang ako dito.
Kay
There
One
you go.
Piece.
Hanapin nyo nga ang setting ng AC na napo-close yung ano.
Nangamoy?
Oo.
Ko alam.
Hayaan mo na anak. Huwag ka muna mag-pindot kasi hindi ko rin alam.
Ayoko. Magbibindot ako.
Hindi iba yan eh. Baka mapapandot mo, minute eh.
May ano ka?
Heater yan eh.
Hindi.
Ito, hindi pa namin talaga alam eh. Lahat kami ignore dito sa bagong sasakyan natin eh. Ayan. Talaga naman. Focus, focus. Drive safely, son.
Let's go, let's go, let's go.
There you go. Traffic. It's more traffic in the Philippines. Traffic in the Philippines is normal. Ika nga ni BBM. New normal. Abnormal. There you go. Hotdogs. Meralco. Aray ko. Malupiton. If you're listening, aray ko. God is so good. God is so good.
Dapat famous ka para mag
God is so
si
good.
Malapitan. Para mag
He's so good to me. God is so good. Aray ko. God is so good. God is so good. He's so good to me. Everybody say God is so good. God is so good.
Sound trip ka mag-isa.
God is so good. He's so good to me. Aray ko. Hinahaluan. Road trip. Napakabuti mo. Aming Diyos Ama. Iyong likha'y luluwan at tingin ka. Napakabuti mo. Di ka nagbabago. Noon, ngayon, siya sa aking puso'y pagaling siya. Anong himala ako'y nag-iba, kasalanan ko ay pinatawad. Naging anak niya sa akin pupunta. O kay buti ng Diyos at ako'y binago niya. Lord, I lift your name on high. Lord, in your presence, I'm so glad you're in my life. I'm so glad you came to save us. You came from heaven to earth to show the way. Us to the grave, from the grave to the sky. Lord, I lift your name on high. Lord, I lift your name on high. Lord, I stand in your presence. I'm so glad you're in my heart. So glad you came to save us. You came from heaven to earth to show the way. Lord, I lift your name on high. Lord, I stand in your presence. So glad you came out. Came to save us. Babalik mo pa ganun. Came from heaven to earth. Show the way. Buti mo, Panginoon. Anak, dito kami nagbabadminton dati. Meron pa rin dyan. Papasok ka dyan sa loob. Doon na yung badminton area. Huwag kang titingin. Wala. Hindi na naman basketball ang sports. May you can choose other. Napapawi siya. You came from heaven to earth. Show the way.
Daming tao sa SM Mata. Sa SM Taytay.
Make it ever true. She's my heart of love. May I be like you. She's my heart of love. Make it ever true. She's my heart of God. May I be like you. signal siya na eh. Change my heart around. May I be like you. You are the butter. I am the clay. Mold me and make me. This is what I pray. She's my heart, oh God. Make it ever true. From SM East to SM Taytay. We got it all for you. It's fast lang, ano? Bis lang. Ayan na siya.
Yung traffic.
Yeah. Aray ko ah.
Ano kaya?
This is what I pray. Change my heart, oh God. So we are now at SM Taytay. Going to the parking. Ayun na pala, CCF Taytay. Katabi lang sa SM eh. Ah, J. Ito lang siya. Sino ba ang pasong ngayon dyan? Hindi sila ano, si Doc. Doc, ano, dentist.
Parking.
Doon ka na sa ano, huwag mo nang ipilit dyan. Pinakamaluwag dun sa isa. Para diretso na.
Full parking.
Oo, yun. Sinabi na niya mismo.
Ayan.
At sabihin mo ng aray ko. There you go.